When I got this tractor last week, the guy had put a new grill on here, and I noticed there's no lenses here on either side. So I ordered a set of lenses, about $34 on Amazon. Of course, I'll give you the link in the description for them. But I'm going to clean out in here, and then we're going to put the lenses in that belong there. All right, a little bit of dirt came out from in there. Let's see what's in this package. Let's see how tough they are to put in. There's John Deere parts. We got two lenses. Let's see how we're going to figure out how to put these in. And these do not appear to be the correct lenses. They do not. These are way too big. They're supposed to snap into something here, just way too much. So I'm going to have to go source the right lenses for these. So sometimes these things are a flop. I was hoping to show you this today, but I can't. So it's back to the drawing board. Thanks for watching.